What are we doing, Carter?
We're ripping. We're dropping bikes.
I think Colin's ripping more than us.
Oh my god! Smokes
It's so loud. Look at all the... No, you guys can't see it on camera. There's a bunch of dirt hanging in the air. Oh my goodness. Let's come back around. Should I go this way? No, that's a bad idea.